Hey guys, in this video, do little cleaning. I know, it's clean here. No, not like you think cleaning. Today we will fix drawers here and there. I have my clothes, almost everything is here. I don't think I will throw away any of my clothes because I am like type of hamster. It's hard for me to throw away clothes, and I have other tactic than normal people. For 1 month I am checking and picking one clothes that can be thrown away, and I give myself time with that cloth to say goodbye. So let's get started. First I will put all clothes on bed. On drawers there are small cards. This is not attached forever. You can always fast take that from drawer, and there will be no mark later, and this is a good way for you to know what is in drawer. Wonder drawer don't have name because sometimes I changing what is in drawer, and now I was changing, but I don't give back card with name of that drawer. When we know what is inside, we will switch places of cards if we need, or just if there will be space with no card, I will just write and put new card there. First, this is my night clothes, and I have some night dresses, but I don't too much use that, only like in summer when it's warm, but not really, because this is like, rather than this I will just sleep naked, better than have stuff like that. I don't too much like this kind of stuff, so I wear, but like not really, not we packing. Okay, now we finish making this drawer. There is a little extra space. I have stuff in laundry, so there's little air there. This drawer I have for brass. I have like this kind of bra that is like flat, but I have also other that needs space. So this is good, and I don't give bra like this to draw because I don't have space for that. I just give in halfway, and one half give to another, and this way it's not destroyed. I am making like this way. I am putting nicely. One line is with this type of brass. Second space I am putting, I have like, and then I am giving brass that don't need that much space. And in the end I am giving like summer hippie bra that I have. That's my bra drawer. Next, on top we will have trousers. Give it this. One more time. This, this, and this, and you can have like this way standing. I think these trousers are my favorite. So now from every drawer I will pick some favorite that I have, and from trousers I think these are my favorite. Very retro looking, vintage, and really comfy, and like for Norwegian weather they are perfect. I have this all clothes for all year. I don't make some extra box with summer clothes or something. I don't have that much summer clothes, so I have only one extra box with like special dresses. I have 4, I think, dresses that's like for wedding or something. I don't have that much. Okay, I think this draw is finished. Next will be open sweaters. This sweater I am just giving other way. Inside is outside because I don't want destroy details. This is my favorite. This is my favorite color. I like it, like sea blue or whatever. And the sweater have very nice details. It's really soft, nice in touch, and it's also very warm. This sweater is really like little oversized, and I really like that sweater to have at home. I like also. The best is giving on 3, like bloop, bloop, and it's this way. And we're done with this draw. We're going to next draw. Here I have like sweaters like this, like open sweaters, big one, like more old-fashioned. This is like traditional Norwegian sweater. This is like old print, because now there's more modern. This is old-fashioned. For plain, this is really nice because it's warm, very warm, and you can open and have and have practical colors. This is my favorite. Yes. The sweater is also very warm and it's like folk. Next draw is finished. Now we go to skirts. And if you have big closet and you want to go kill some clothes and stay with like 50 clothes, or like, I don't know, like cut half of your clothes because you don't need that much clothes in your life, the best advice on start, you must choose style that you're going for. Now when I go to shop, I know what to search for. I know I am coming for vintage, old-fashioned clothes, so that's help. Because if you don't know what you're searching, you're always buying some crap that you don't wear, so half of your closet is crap. This is my favorite skirt because it's practical, you know, and it's really comfy, it's warm. This is the shortest one. I like this kind of material. Never know. The skirt is like more like 70s. I don't have too much 70s clothes. This I like have at home. And now dresses. This is my favorite. Like this. Like this reminds me of like 20s, 30s. This shouldn't be cut here. More like here somewhere. Like I wear this with leggings. Little smaller for me, so I make extra space here, and then I also was changing zipper here. If I don't use that much time for fixing this dress, I don't know if I will still have, but it was too much work to throw away. I will wear until I can. This is not practical too much, I must say, and it starts not nice looking. Yeah, finished. Now next. So guys, if you like my video, like, subscribe and comment below. Edna will appreciate. Yes, she will appreciate if you leave comment how cute she is today. Yes. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.